I got a little product review here. Autoone sent me this jump starter to with an air compressor to test out, and sadly I've already used it 4 times because I got a little issue with my little Datsun truck here. I just finally figured out the brake lights were getting stuck on because there's no spring on the return brake pedal. So I think I just finally fixed it. But check this out. Basically, it's a jump starter with an air compressor. Super simple to use. Haven't used the air compressor part yet, but got a little quick start guide. Comes in a really nice colorful box, and then the unit itself comes in this nice carry case. You can keep it in the back seat. Got all the air compressor parts you need to blow up a ball or a tire. I'll try that out next. So here's the actual unit here. Basically pull it out. Oh. And here's the cables. Got to put them away. It's super simple to use. You just turn it on, hold this down for like 2 seconds. Was that 2 seconds? Maybe it wasn't. Here we go. So it's got 3 bars. I've used it a couple times to jump start the truck. 4 bars is fully charged. There's no voltmeter or anything. Just 4 bars, and that's on. And it will auto turn off after 30 seconds. But I'll show you in a minute what a video of me using it to jump start. You basically just plug it into this port. So I could show you here. On the side here, you turn on, plug it in. So you get the green flashing light, and you just connect these to your battery. It only does 12-volt batteries, and then it'll start beeping. Then you start the car within 30 seconds, and then you just disconnect them, unplug it, and that's it. And then you wait 30 minutes, it says in the instructions, to wait 30 minutes before you recharge this thing. So I just jump started the truck, so I'll charge this back up, but I've already used it at least 4 times. And I've never got it down below 3 bars. The battery was dead where it wouldn't even crank over, this little 4-cylinder. And it's a new battery, new alternator, all that stuff. It was just, I just had a keyless entry and stuff, and power door locks, and stupid battery kept dying on me, and I finally realized, like I said, the brake lights are getting stuck on. But yeah, so I'll do a little test with the air compressor. And I guess I could do that now. I don't know. Let's see. Never tried it yet. I guess you screw it in here. It also has a little LED light. So I'll turn this back on. And it's got these mode switches on here. So there's the light. And it's got a little mode in here. So there's the pressure. There's got a car, a motorcycle, a bicycle, and a ball. 8 psi. So let's put it to 36. And then you can adjust it over here. Let's leave it on 36. See if it'll blow up in 1970. See or not. I have no idea what the pressure on these. I haven't checked them in a little while. Try it out together here. Oh wow, it works. Look at that, 30 psi. So I guess I hit. Say 35. That's probably, that was pretty fast. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Now this works. Why is the light flashing? You trying to tell me something? Oh, stop flashing. No. Did I leave that on? Oh, I think I did that. You guess you can different modes of light. So no light, solid light, flashing light, no light. Okay, that's just me. User error. So obviously you can have different modes of light as well. So that was pretty straightforward. Love this little carrying case. Still got 3 bars, so I don't think you want to watch me do the rest of the tires. But this would be perfect for my daughter because she always needs her tires aired up and jump starting every once in a while when it's cold. So thanks again, Autoone, for sending me this to review. I think it was the 6000 model. I thought I read somewhere. Where is the model number? Somewhere I saw 6000. Maybe not. Anyways, I like it. Simple to use and it works. Thanks for watching. Check out some other videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you want to see more Datsun and Nissan truck videos. Okay, so the truck won't start. So I'm going to jump start it with this Autoone. I'm sorry, I'm going to jump start with Autoone. So you just pull out these adapters. You can see it's only got 10 volts and it won't start. So you connect these up to your post and see how it starts flashing. Just plug it into here. Now you hear it clicking. Turn this on. So you got 4 bars. Now let's go jump start. Out of there. That's all there is to it. So now, the truck is putting out 14 volts. The batteries are low. Charge up a little while. Oh, and I'll put a link down in the description where you can get one of these. I don't get any royalties or anything, but I do appreciate Autoone sending me this to test out. I appreciate it. Thanks again.